it's Viv, and for today's video I'm here with Melody, and since it is prom season we thought it'd be really fun to do a prom themed video for here on our channel. So for today's video, Melody and I are going to be showing you how to do this really adorable prom hairstyle for short haired dolls, because I know it's a little bit difficult when you have short haired dolls because you're not working with much. So we came up with this really adorable hairstyle that looks kind of complicated, but it's super simple to do and pairs well with any dress. And speaking of dresses, the dress that Melody is wearing is made by me, and the tutorial for this will be up on Friday because I am officially rescheduling my uploading schedule to be on Friday instead of Wednesday. I don't know why I worded it like that. So officially Dolly Delights videos will be going up on Friday instead of Wednesday. I just found that it works a little bit better for me and my schedule. And also when I asked you guys on Instagram in a poll, most of you said that you would want videos on Friday instead of Wednesday. I'm gonna stop rambling now, let's get on to this video. Okay, so to start off, I have divided Melody's hair into two sections. So I basically just scooped up the top section and I tied it, or I left it out, and then I tied up the bottom section so that it wouldn't be in the way while we're working on the top section. So what I'm gonna do next is on the side of her head here, I'm gonna divide the hair up pretty much into two, and I'm just gonna create two small braids on either side of her head. So you can do fishtail braids if you really wanna be fancy, but for this tutorial, I'm just gonna stick with doing 3-strand braids to keep it nice and simple. So on the side here, I'm just gonna make sure that I smooth it out with a brush. And then I'm gonna divide that in half again so that it's like this, and then I'm going to braid this section, and I'm also going to braid this section. I'm gonna work on this section first, and the trick is, since we're gonna be pulling all the hair back, is that you're gonna wanna braid in a backwards motion. So don't braid like downwards like this onto her face, but braid down back towards the back of her head. And while you're doing it, make sure that all the hair in the front especially is lying flat and smooth. Here that I've got one braid done, and it is kind of just like in the middle of where her bangs are. So there's gonna be one on here and then on the other side as well. And then you can see here on the side of her head, the second braid that I'm gonna do is closer down towards where her eye is instead of like right up here. You could do a third braid if you wanted to, like here in this section, but I decided to leave that section blank so that I can just have it being more of like a minimal look. So I'm gonna braid this section here, and then once I do that, I will come and show you guys and then do the same thing on the other side. So once I reach the end here, I'm just gonna combine it into the hair tie that I have that's securing the other braid and the loose hair as well. And this hair tie is gonna be temporary, so you don't have to worry about it being perfect. When you're done, you should have something that looks like this, perfect for a Loki hairstyle if your doll loves Marvel movies. Is that Marvel? I hope I didn't offend anybody by saying that. When you're done, you should have 2 or 4 braids that look like this, 2 in either size, so kind of a larger size and a smaller size. And I took the hair that I wasn't using out of the hair tie that secured my braids, but if you didn't do that in the first place, that's okay, because again, these hair ties here that are securing the braids together are just temporary. What you're going to want to do is take the braids and lay them so that they are positioned onto the doll's head the way you like them, and be sure they're laying nice and flat so that it doesn't look too bumpy on her head. And then from the front, Melody's hair is looking like this. Kind of see it there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna gather all the braids tightly together here, and then I'm going to secure them off with another hair tie. So once you have it all secured down, you can then remove the hair ties that were keeping the braids secure. And then once I remove the hair ties here, I'm just going to smooth out the hair, and then I'm going to release the bottom section. And then from the front here, this is what it looks like. I think it is so super cute, but what I'm going to do just to kind of keep these braids down, like the side braids here, and also just to add a little bit of detail, I'm going to take this flower hair clip. I got this from Claire's at the Toys R Us, so if you guys have Claire's in your Toys R Us's, then this might be pretty cheap in the US because Toys R Us is closing down. So I'm just going to go ahead and pop that into Melody's hair right there so that she can wear it for this look. And then there's the hairstyle completed. I think it looks really complicated, but it was actually super simple. And because it's only 3-strand braiding and it doesn't even require French braiding, that makes it even more simple. And look, you can even see that I am wearing a flower in my hair as well to match Melody's. And now with the hair all done, we can go ahead and get dressed. So anyways guys, that is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss videos like this and other American Girl doll videos, like other hairstyle videos, outfit videos, sewing tutorials, and more. And if you have any suggestions on what type of videos you want to see on my channel, be sure to let me know in the comment section down below. And if you have any suggestions on what type of prom videos that I should do, be sure you let me know in the comment section down below as well, because I love making dresses and doing hairstyles like this. I think it's so much fun, and doll sizing it is especially fun as well. So yeah, thank you again for watching this video, and I will see you on Friday for my first official Dolly Delights Friday uploading schedule video. Bye!